Pull down his shorts. He's looking a little, That's not the word I had for it, but sure. Hey, guys. Hey.
They're paying attention. Pay attention to each other.
Play with each other.
Whoa.
It's very dramatic, Chandler. You just need to, like, throw your arm up. Luca.
See, I can't get enough.
Luca, hi. Hi, what happened to your nose? Is that Mommy's fault?
That was good.
It's okay, we'll forgive her.
You know what I did one time, though, when he was